Welcome back to the channel. lozhnamte channel. Oh hey, XP100. Back ani. Harley ho non thang chia hey. HOG Mizoram Harley Club ho. Tu vi te non thega. Ui map khop mà. Hey, là hiện Aspin thế hay đủ tan. Aspin cho nên Awin thế đi. Spin đó này. Nghe Win đó. Flashlight nó bắt tay. Cái sáng ai à? Đó, cà phê đó. Đây lúc này. Thế là hiện bike cho xong. Hiện bike cho xong anh đầu cầu phổ mà biker girls là mình đi cái xe đó. Tuan, đây MT thì phổ mà. Tuan ini Harley, apa nama? Harley, mau lengkap kan? Enfield lagi sorry. Triumph betul tak? Oleh hey, với là petrol chachi and launch on XP100 hey mi petrol hi amai nom rek to thowa amai ro chu với là hiện official launch an nei do na chu hey program an mang do na tuna kan lom na hi biak le na petrol pa mania ram dun ani ta chuan với là hiện hey Harley te Triumph ti te an som chawa hey program dom le kan hang doi ti le ngo lokin o ti le về lok rồi mà sẽ cái này chuyên tú đó ấy juice thì nắng XP100 juice cái này đó nè XP100 petrol juice cái này nắng nuôi con mày tuan cái tiền rồi đấy sao đây ngô lộc hay Joseph anh nhá HOG mi Harley owner anh hey không boss in jacket nung ha hey nal khop mai hay Harley ho Mizoram Harley Owners Group tin anh HOG ka thank you talang chuan in với là hiện biker girl sepo an so ma hey spin về lúc ấy spin thấy rồi thì reload không anh lâu thì top reload quay về là cái nào cần spin không ôi
cái event run sim tu te tan abi takin cái event su ga te tan ya engine oil ki tuna kan op na chung lama so at hon ya lerin attack the ani
so tuna hiện in engine oil attack thấy đó là servo engine oil hi attack thấy đó nhỉ afrin với na program local te tan afrin attack thấy đó chỗ với na an som te ho Harley te le Triumph te biker ga se hi an thun sap don ni tuna hen mo petrol thachi kha litara za somru ba nia amaro chu za somru po ni se hemi a performance ati dang la me ma ba ka hetiang super bike te tiang bike man to nei tan khan motor man to nei ta khan thun nge chi ni kha in thun nge don ni em po kan la thun veng
in Zamain kalolom sewa sibay kaloput sewa ali kan singa hian Indian Oil Corporation na kan how to te and oma indom na kan nei masara. First of all, let me welcome Mr. Kundan Mukherjee, General Manager, Indian Oil Assam Oil Division, Putpengin Lokson Zelila. Next, we have Mr. Ajosh Badnagar, General Manager, Lubricants, Indian Oil Assam Oil Division. Next, we have Mr. Mrinal Talukdar, Deputy General Manager, Indian Oil, Assam Oil Division. Let's welcome him with a big round of applause. We are so thankful for your presence here today. Alito na son dealer, tsumpwa, dealer, tsumpwa, pijuli, tsumpwa, ang kuway takin, ang palamanan ni nila pansag sila pijuli, hi labiyagyan ng filling station ni tuno aniya. Ani hi afate po na non choy o min kasya kuway takin amin ngay titinay telaw swag sila pijuli na liyan zwali hiyani labiyagyan ng filling station hi kung saan hi pariatan bulalaw chan to so that chang swani kung tinin award e filling station yan ang ladong saraniya dito po na hiyani dealer president under Ministerial Division na animate boka tunang yan e filling station hi highest filling station in Northeast India ani boka din so may baka tuan pi juni tuanum na so petrol pump miss ni kung sa mga laing India ramahyanin anaya chung zinga mitlete zinga so aning chairman Fenela Kanpin aning ngenge bok aning pijuli de chungwa chungale Indian Oil Corporation de chungalo thruwa so yeah. Alito na suan ilong na sa tele at apak so na kuring dile de chungwa changay so a very good afternoon to one and all present here. We welcome you to our petrol pump, and today holds a great significance as we commemorate the launch of XP100 by our Indian Oil Corporation, and the introduction of this advanced fuel technology marks a significant advancement in the improvement of fuel efficiency. Today, I would like to thank the members of Indian Oil Corporation for promoting with us this XP100 and for recognizing our effort and for presenting us with the chairman panel. That is the chairman panel signage that we have received, and it is among the 54 retail outlets across India, and we are very grateful for that. Next, I would also like to thank my mother, who is the pillar stone of our petrol pump. It is because of her endless effort and dedication that we have been able to achieve our success. I would also like to thank all our staffs, members who are all present here, and all the members of our petrol pump, especially including our manager, who is also my uncle, Mr. Joseph. Can you please raise? He is the pillar stone of our petrol pump. Like endless night, he would do any problems we have, he would solve it at all, like a pro. So I would also like to thank all our loyal customers. It is because of them that we are here today. It is because of their support and their strength. Our customers are our strength. And because of them, we are here today. Without them, it would have not been possible. I'm very grateful. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ms. Tina. So now I kindly request Mr. Kuntal Mukherjee, General Manager for Assurance.
Thank you so much. It's really very heartening to be here. This is my first visit to Aizawl, and I'm really touched by the warmth and the greet that everyone has extended, and it's really wonderful coming here and being amongst you all. Yeah, that is really requires a real good clap. As you know, XP100 was launched by Indian Oil almost 5 years ago, and we have gone pillar to post to increase its reach to each and every corner of the country. This is one of our best retail outlet in Aizawl, a chairman panel dealer who has earned that acclaim. And you can understand, being a chairman panel dealer, one has to really toil and then come to that level. And we are really thankful to Lalviaknath petrol pump that they have really done there and shown their customer friendliness, shown their best services, and has come to this level. Hats off to you. Thank you so much.
So much, sir. Oleh, hey, when yan, hey, even flag off ko na yan, kan round shwai to 10 minutes del pui kaya, hey, kape na magan hoy page 1, who lel biaza magan speakers om taglegan cabinet minister who PC vanal rod 10 minutes del pui kaya. Koi takin he kan bike ma yan min low din sak selangin tin dealer lam pangachangin lom to soy na hilpeg min ron lan sak dona ano lang swats min ando apin soy na de kan le ki speaker jangan jangan support pe don ni ya kaya
First of all, I'd like to thank the delegate of the Indian Oil Corporation to bring about this new technology. In fact, we, as a human being, needs to perform, needs new advancement, whatever field we do. And we thank you for bringing about this new change, for the better change. So I hand over the mic to my colleague, the Minister for Agriculture.
Today we are very happy from IOC. This is the first day we introduce XP100. We are very happy. Thank you so much.
Dealer so water front with the kamilaw na supply so namin Ito Vincent, kaya lang na siya ulit. Alin sumalong to kan soy tak zz alin. Ale event kan konsan ben hi flag off ali at sumi kan chen ma chuan wena XP100 riders kan hi pui tu te hi Harley owners group te ani a kan kim sia mde koi takin ka din na lang pangayan Harley owners group at hiya piang akala mayan nilaw din sa lok ola hemi chungya petrol anlat hun law te po kha anlat hun do na ni chuan hemi chungya ni games te tin photo booth hianin kan kep moi tak te kan share moi tak te nen tha min han la sak lu bo khani kan so ma go seo ani tin ang mga mason bikers ko Mizoram khan booking ka siya ano tina ko ita ki HOG below zone sa
May hi Hypersport F5 hay sang ber fully synthetic draw.
Fully synthetic engine oil. Next time hindi.
Next time.
Next timeนี่แหละไม่รับดี
next time ไว้คัดt-shirt ได้ชัดเขามีพอ t-shirt ตรงนี้นะ we serve เขาสวยดอกกีฬาdraw ติดตัวซ่ามันเต็ม
Servo Hypersport and fully synthetic engine oil.
synthetic ไอ้เอ็กซ์มันเนี่ย
MRP 3,000
ส่วน liter
upgrade API SP
ถ้าเบี้ยวติดมอลิตรขัด
na upgrade sound.
upgrade สร้างแบบไหนจุจะครบไหมให้วินเจ้าใช่ดิให้ก็วินจับสิมาเลยล็อกเฮ้ยเลยช้าถามนั่นอันเสื้อกบโดนอันไบค์เตะไรตันไหนโดนเตียนแล้วก็วันนี้นี่ให้ไรตัวเตียนไหนโดนนะCM office relief fund นั้นเป็นให้มีอันวันนี้อันชวนจุมิโซชวนAizawl club dinner เตะในตัวอันนี้หุ่มครบไหมริงฮาร์ลีจุ๊มอ่ะหุ่มไหมนี่ปุ้ยตักกันดิปุ้ยตัก to ten bike an khal ve don ni hardly Indian oil an how to khaiหุ่นพัดเอาที่ขั้นอันโปรแกรมจู่โจวะส่วนนี้สวยตัวอังคารให้มีที่XP100 ที่ octane 100ออกมา petrol ให้จะช่างอมตา petrol ที่จิตทุ่มเวลอมตาอัน classify ตานี่จู่อัดชับเบอร์นี่จู่อินเดียมาให้มีไอชาที่อมแล้ววะให้มี petrol ไอชาที่ตัวน่าจะน้ำรีแล้ววะ super bike ที่เด็กเตรียมจีนี่เขาตั้งจนทุนยังไงจีนี่ super bike ไอ้ทุนกันตัวเนี่ยทุนังไอ้ทุนังก็แหละไอ้พวกกัน super bike กันทุนกันก็ส่วนนี้สวยตัวอังคาร high octane เขาจู่อากาศนะบีก็ compression ให้ทำ bike engine cc เหรียญเขาว่าแต่คานินอัชบีแค่ไม่มา petrol ป้าไงไอ้คานินอากาศช้าบ้าค่ะ engine life ก็อาทิตย์ช้าพิกับแต่พอเสียมชับบีช้านี่เดี๋ยวเวลไม่กันสวยอย่างคันมั้งส่วนนี้ bike มันโตอีนี่งั้มส่วน petrol มันโตพออีทุ่งงั้มตัวนี่ bike มันโตในเวริงก็ petrol เลยนั่นตัวในสีระวังเขาส่วนเลยแล้วช้าอ๋อ
super bike เนี่ยจอมโซ่เรา
จอมโซ่ระวังจีจอมโซ่ต้านคันเตียงเปโตรที่จะในตัวเนี่ยจอมโซ่ง่ายค่ะนุปุยโป้ในตัวมอ bike โป้ในตัวไอ้ซาฟเต้นอันสปินเลยด้วยนี่ส่วนให้หลายเฮียนี่อันโฟกัสเดี๋ยวเล็กที่จูให้มี super bike แต่ขัดเตียง bike มันโตที่ไม่ละสวยมากเลยนี่เราเซ่bike มันโตนี่มีวะขัดเตียง bike สร้างเอาซีซีเหรียญเอาต่างคันยังมีที่หุ่นช้ำมาชาที่ข้าก็สวยนั่นเลยด้วยไอ้ที่ XP100 ส่วนตาอินเลยดูจนตัดเส้นลงตามาเสียอันนี้ตาที่นี่ตราซาสมรุปข้ากันเชื่อตัวตัวที่พวกข้ากันเล่าที่ไม่เทมาเสียperformance spec ส่วนสองข้านี่ข้าป่วยหมอครับไหมเปโตรชากันดูจนให้ลายทุนที่ฟินท่าเข้าปังพักสวยเลยตัวนี้ส่วน Chief Minister บางหลักกันโชว์อ่ะจะมีส่วนที่เราได้กันในตอนนี้
And with this, I would like to pass on the mic to Mr. Joel Lerundi.
Yeah, thank you. We give ourselves introduction, the riders. I guess the few of them have not come today.
And what most it PI protection. What this LSPI is? It is low speed pre-ignition. This
thì hiện dàn program tới tết gần phong à thì thì là gần A đây mà phải cái đây show G lắm bằng nó có đây đó là đây là bạn gần tu tết gần hậu tu tết ubi tết tu sa bắt tết nó mà program tới tết phong liền à còn thế là bạn hiện Michael Golf thì có Michael Golf sống bằng hả bài đó nghe với nuông tiếng hai bác lần petrol จุดชาชันเมล
รวมกันเราติดตัวปากกันที่กันไรเลยอ่ะ
nice ส่วนไอ้ชื่อกันไอ้โดนโจกันไอ้โดนอีกแล้วรู้จักโตไหมนี่งออะไรเงี้ยไอ้ที่แก